We're back once again at Spotify Camp Nou, and today there's a clear sense of progress across multiple zones of the stadium. After a few days away, the changes are immediately noticeable, especially around the compression ring and façade elements, which continue to be the main focus of activity. Before we begin, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's completely free and helps us keep bringing you these regular construction updates. Let's start today from the north goal. Right away, the compression ring shows solid advancement compared to the previous update. New pillars and radial beams have been installed, and additional structural segments are already in place. From this angle, you can clearly see how the ring is gradually closing in, with crane operations likely already underway to position the next sections. Moving closer to the corner, one of the biggest updates is the diamond structure, which is now fully concreted at the top. This is a major milestone. The upper slab is complete, and over the coming days we can expect the removal of the lower formwork panels as the concrete sets. In the same area, protective blue netting remains in place as crews prepare to install piping beneath the cantilever sections. These installations are progressing steadily across this zone. Back in the north goal, there's a huge amount of slat material now on site. Stacks of façade slats are being prepared for installation, and deliveries continue to arrive. This suggests that installation in this sector could begin very soon. It's worth noting that the first cantilever level is progressing more slowly due to the added complexity of both structural brackets and false ceiling work. However, once crews move to higher levels, installation speed should increase significantly. Inside the stadium, there's heavy worker activity across multiple levels. Crews are painting structural beams, applying coatings, and preparing surfaces throughout the mobility cores. Anti-corrosion treatments are still ongoing, with several beams yet to receive their final layers. Now moving over to the Tribuna. This area is extremely active today. New compression ring components have arrived, including pillars and support sections ready for lifting. Workers are preparing formwork and positioning safety structures around the installation zones. The crane here will soon begin lifting these elements into place, continuing the ring's expansion toward this section. There's also a noticeable increase in installed slat supports along both sides of the Tribuna, indicating steady preparation for façade coverage. Outside, near the store façade, there's continued material movement and staging. Various structural elements and containers are positioned around the diamond structure, showing ongoing work in this zone. Now, heading to the south goal. Here, compression ring activity continues with additional radial beams and support structures already visible. Several prefabricated elements are staged on the ground, ready for installation in the coming days. Concrete operations are also underway in this area. The concrete pump is active, with crews preparing to pour sections along the cantilever floor. This is another sign of steady structural progress. Finally, over at the lateral side, waterproofing layers are now being applied in sections near the corner. Meanwhile, smaller diamond structures show strong reinforcement progress, with dense rebar placement and multiple workers actively preparing for upcoming concrete pours. That wraps up today's update. Progress continues across all major zones, from the compression ring and diamond structures to façade slats and interior works. The pace remains steady, and key structural milestones are being reached week by week. Subscribe to Miverse Builds to follow the transformation daily, and stay tuned for the next update from Spotify Camp Nou.